Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the density of hexane gas. Check this out. All we're using in this investigation is a 4,000 milliliter flask just to build up the vapors from the hexane. Of course, hexane, a candle, a dropper, and this slide because we want to demonstrate that hexane gas can go down this slide just like a fluid until it reaches the candle and ignites and travels back up the slide again. The first step is just to add a very small amount of hexane to your flask. And this hexane is going to evaporate very quickly inside the flask, and so you want to plug it. And you want to kind of roll it around in there so it all vaporizes inside. Okay, so to increase the vaporization of the hexane, I'm just going to roll it around so it coats the walls of the flask, and I'm just going to keep rolling this around until it's all evaporated inside. Okay, now once you've lit your candle, you're ready to take off the stopper and to pour your gas down the slide. Now, if hexane gas is more dense than air, it should roll down the slide just like a liquid would. And when it hits that flame, it should ignite and come right back up the slide. Let's try it out. Here we go. I'll pour a little bit of gas down the slide. And it comes back up. Isn't that amazing? Now, of course, we have to see if it'll work with a much larger track. So I'm using my maglev track, and I think I'm gonna pour the hexane gas right down the center and see if it comes all the way back up again. Okay, here we go. It's a longer way to go. All the way down. Here it comes. It made it. Okay, so what's going on in this awesome combustion reaction is we started with that C6H14. That's hexane. And when we put it in the flask, we rolled it around so it would evaporate and build up pressure. Then we started to pour it down the slide. Now, if hexane is more dense than air, it should roll down the slide just like a liquid. And as it did so, it mixed with the oxygen in the room. That's the O2 that you see in the equation. Those are the reactants. Now, when it got to the bottom of the slide, there was a lit candle, and that's what combusted the hexane gas. And the products was carbon dioxide, CO2, and water. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.